This is the observer. One thing changes, and everything that cares finds out, without the source knowing a single one of them by name. It's also the pattern hiding inside every framework you've ever used. Let's actually understand it. JS Patterns. Episode 4. First, the mess it fixes. A stock price ticks. Now the chart has to redraw, the watch list row has to flash, the portfolio recalculates, and something logs it. Wire that directly, and your price function knows about the chart, the row, the logger. 5 jobs welded into one. Add a 6th consumer? You edit the source. That's tight coupling, and it rots. The observer flips it. A subject keeps a list of observers and broadcasts when something changes. The source fires one event, and whoever subscribed reacts. The ticker doesn't know any of them by name. Here's the whole pattern. A private set holds the observers. Subscribe adds one and hands you back an unsubscribe function. Keep it, you'll need it. Notify just loops the set and calls each one with the payload. Watch it fan out. The chart subscribes, the row subscribes, the logger subscribes. 3. One message comes off the socket, you call notify once, and all 3 react independently. Add a 4th tomorrow, and the source never changes. That's decoupling. But here's where it bites. Forget to unsubscribe, and the observer never gets garbage collected. A slow memory leak. Don't rely on order, it's a set, not a queue. And it's synchronous, so if one observer takes 200 milliseconds, every observer behind it waits. One slow listener stalls the whole broadcast. And you might not even need a class. The browser already ships this. Extend event target, dispatch a custom event, and add event listener is subscribe. Even better, pass an abort signal, and one call to abort rips out every listener at once. No leak. So decouple ruthlessly, broadcast freely, but always, always unsubscribe. That's this pattern. Beyond code karma. I'll see you in the next one.